Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. The S&P is trading at the 50-day EMA, which currently sits at around 3,975. What's really impressive here is that since the 15th of March, which was a day when I said, my indicators were suggesting that the S&P 500 would not see a lower price after the 15th of March. So far, it is proven to be very successful in predicting that, because since the 15th of March, we have seen prices move higher. Now, it's going to be very interesting as we go into the FOMC meeting tomorrow. Now, the bond market and the stock market is pretty much telling us that we are expecting to get 0 rate hikes from the Fed during tomorrow's FOMC meeting, but that was never really relevant. I think what really is important is the Fed's guidance going forward. What policy are we going to see as the FOMC move into the middle of 2023, and more importantly, the latter stages of this trading year? What I expect to hear tomorrow is that we are going to see a temporary Fed pivot, where they will expect to hike interest rates, maybe closer towards the back end of 2023. And I think that would actually be very positive for the market, because that then allows us to get 2 to 3 months worth of data and to see, is inflation continuing to fall, or has it kind of hit like a plateau here? And I think with all of the volatility and the news surrounding the finance sector, with all these banks going bankrupt, etc., that is a massively disinflationary event. So if we continue to see inflation fall very strongly over the next couple of months, that could potentially convert the Fed's temporary pivot into a official pivot, if that makes sense. And that could be very beneficial for growth stocks. And of course, the S&P 500 holds a very large portion of growth stocks. For example, Apple represents a 20% weightage here in the S&P 500. So we've already seen the outperformance in the Nasdaq 100, and it really could prove that technology is the sector that continues to carry the S&P 500 here. So I actually see it as quite bullish, medium to longer term here. But all eyes are on the FOMC tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't get too much volatility today, as investors won't be wanting to put too much money to work ahead of tomorrow's FOMC meeting. But if we can break above 4,000, where the 200-day EMA is, that would be very bullish from a technical perspective, because that would mean we're trading back above the EMAs. I still do hold a trade open here in my Signal team. Talking about my Signal team, we're up 29.3% so far this year. So if you'd like to be in this trade and be part of my Signal team and receive my daily research, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. I charge a very small fee of $29 to sign up.